How to fix ghost notifications with no content on Bumble. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can fix ghost notifications but with no content on Bumble. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to address ghost notifications in Bumble or notifications with no content, first you have to check your notification settings within the Bumble app itself. So you can open Bumble, tap on your profile icon, then tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side. And here just look for notification settings and make sure that it is configured properly for all of these notifications. Second, you also want to check for notification settings from your system by simply opening Settings, going to Notifications, go to App Notifications, and of course, just searching for Bumble and making sure that it is enabled quite properly. After you've done that, if you're using Android, you can clear the cache files and data by long pressing on Bumble app icon, tapping on the eye icon to come into your app information page, and from here going to storage, from there clearing the cache files and clearing the data. If you're using iPhone, make sure to offload the app and go to your respective app stores and ensure that Bumble app is updated to the latest version. Hopefully this video helped you solve the problem. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.